Welcome to my channel. Let me help you boost your body for better health. The 5 healthiest leafy green vegetables. Verdant green vegetables are a significant piece of a sound eating regimen. They're loaded with nutrients, minerals and fiber, yet low in calories. Eating an eating routine wealthy in mixed greens can offer various medical advantages, including diminished danger of weight, coronary illness, hypertension and mental decrease. Here are 5 of the best verdant green vegetables to remember for your eating regimen. 5. Cabbage. Cabbage is shaped of bunches of thick leaves that come in green, white and purple tones. It has a place with the Brassica family, alongside Brussels fledglings, kale and broccoli. Vegetables in this plant family contain glucosinolates, which give them a severe flavor. Creature contemplates have discovered that food varieties that contain these plant mixtures may have malignant growth defensive properties, particularly against lung and esophageal disease. Another advantage of cabbage is that it very well may be matured and transformed into sauerkraut, which gives various medical advantages, for example, improving your assimilation and supporting your resistant framework. It might even guide weight reduction. 4. Spinach. Spinach is a mainstream verdant green vegetable and is effortlessly consolidated into an assortment of dishes, including soups, sauces, smoothies and plates of mixed greens. Its supplement profile is noteworthy, with 1 cup, 30 grams, of crude spinach giving 181% of the DV to nutrient K, 56% of the DV for nutrient N and 13% of the DV for manganese. It's likewise loaded with folate, which assumes a critical part in red platelet creation and the avoidance of neural cylinder abscons in pregnancy. One examination on the neural cylinder imperfection spina bifida tracked down that quite possibly the most preventable danger factors for this condition was a low admission of folate during the main trimester of pregnancy. Alongside taking a pre-birth nutrient, eating spinach is an extraordinary method to expand your folate admission during pregnancy. 3. Collard greens. Collard greens are free leaf greens, identified with kale and spring greens. They have thick leaves that taste somewhat harsh. They're comparative in surface to kale and cabbage. Indeed, their name comes from colewort. Collard greens are a decent wellspring of calcium and the nutrients A, B9, folate, and C. They're likewise perhaps the best wellspring of nutrient K with regards to salad greens. Indeed, 1 cup, 190 grams, of cooked collard greens packs 1045% of the DV for nutrient K. Nutrient K is known for its job in blood thickening. Also, more exploration is being finished with respect to its capacity to improve bone well-being. One examination in 72,327 ladies matured 38 to 63 tracked down that those with nutrient K admissions under 109 mcg each day had a fundamentally expanded danger of hip breaks, proposing a connection between this nutrient and bone well-being. 2. Microgreens. Microgreens are juvenile greens delivered from the seeds of vegetables and spices. They commonly measure 1 to 3 inches, 2.5 to 7.5 centimeters. Since the 1980s, they have frequently been utilized as a trimming or improvement, yet they have a lot more employments. Regardless of their little size, they're loaded with shading, flavor and supplements. Indeed, one investigation found that microgreens contain up to multiple times more supplements contrasted with their developed partners. A portion of these supplements incorporate nutrients C, E and K. Microgreens can be filled in the solace of your own home, lasting through the year, making them effectively accessible. 1. Kale. Kale is viewed as quite possibly the most supplement-thick vegetables on Earth because of its numerous nutrients, minerals and cell reinforcements. For instance, 1 cup, 67 grams, of crude kale packs 684% of the daily value, DV, for nutrient K, 206% of the DV for nutrient N and 134% of the DV for nutrient C. It additionally contains cancer prevention agents like lutein and beta-carotene, which diminish the danger of infections brought about by oxidative pressure. To profit most from all that kale has to bring to the table, it's best burned through crude since cooking can decrease its supplement profile. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos to come.